Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. This has been my favorite new tool for all of my DIY projects, but I was having a hard time finding the right sanding pads. But I ended up getting this 150 pack of triangle sanding pads from WORKPRO, and let me tell you, they are amazing. I love these so much. This pack came with so many different grits, and it is perfect for all of my DIY projects. I've got grits 40 through 240, and they came with more of the grits that I'm more likely to use. So there's a lot of 40, 60, and 80, which are so great for all of my projects with furniture refinishing or sanding the trim that I need to paint. They are so great. I love that it came with 120, 180, and 240 for all of that fine finish sanding that you need to do. This pack is absolutely fantastic. I love them. They have the greatest Velcro. They stay on my sander and they are such high quality. I've tried some other ones and they are just not, they don't compare to the quality of these sanding triangles from WORKPRO. So if you're looking for a multi-pack to get yourself so you are not going to run out in the middle of a project, definitely pick up a pack of these triangle sanding pads from WORKPRO. I love them. I think you are going to love them, and that is my point of view.